In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty deleted emails in Microsoft Outlook using a fast and efficient method that can come in handy, especially when your inbox is overflowing. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening up your web browser and navigating to the Outlook web application. You can do this by typing in the URL https outlook.office.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. It's important to ensure that you're using the correct account where you want to clean up your deleted emails, since most of us manage multiple emails at the same time. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with various folders listed. Among these, you'll find the Deleted Items folder. Go ahead and click on that. This folder stores all the emails you've deleted from your inbox and other folders, acting as a safety net in case you made a mistake or change your mind about a deletion. But sometimes, this folder can fill up quickly, creating unnecessary clutter. Once you've clicked into the Deleted Items folder, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here, you should see an option labeled Empty Folder. By clicking on this, you are indicating to Outlook that you want to permanently delete all the emails currently in your Deleted Items folder. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you really want to take this action, as it'll remove all those emails for good. If you're sure, click OK to confirm, and just like that, all your deleted emails will be permanently removed, freeing up space and decluttering your digital environment. But let's say that after doing this, you realize that you've deleted something important by mistake. Don't worry, there's a safety net for this scenario as well. At the top of the Deleted Items folder, there's an option labeled Recover Items Deleted from this folder. Click on this and you'll be presented with a list of recently deleted emails that you can still recover. Simply select the email or emails you want back and hit Restore. This moves them back to their original locations so you can access them once again. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to manage your space and keep your Outlook organized. Remember, managing your emails efficiently can be a huge time saver, and keeping your space decluttered can enhance your productivity significantly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.